Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I'm so excited about this product here. It's from LA Colors and it's the Browie Wowie Brow Pencil. I love that name, Browie Wowie. And I love LA Colors. I have tried out LA Colors brow products before and I love them, but I haven't tried this one yet and I am so excited to. I got this for only $2 at Family Dollar and that is such an amazing price for this full-size brow pencil. You can also get it for $2 at Walmart. I have this in the shade Light Medium. It says it's an automatic brow pencil and spoolie, which is my favorite type of brow product. I am super picky with my brow products and so particular about how my brows look, but I love when my pencil has a twist up, an angled little shape to it, and a spoolie. And this seems like it has all of that. It's twist up and it's like a triangle shaped angle type of pencil, which I really like this style because then you can use the top of it to be precise. Actually, before I start applying this to my brow, I do want to swatch it and see the shade. Ooh, okay. Good to see it doesn't go on too pigmented and it looks like a great neutral toned brown. Sometimes I feel like they're way too orange, but this, it's neutral. If anything, it's a little bit more cool toned, which looks great, and light, but if you press down harder, you can get a little darker, more of that medium brown. So now let's go ahead and see how it is in my brow. So first, I am going to brush through the brow hairs with the spoolie, and this spoolie is able to brush through all the hairs. It's a little bit more of a short, not as dense spoolie with a spiral, and I seriously am so particular with my brow products that I'm even picky about the spoolies, and this is not my favorite type, but I think it will be able to work. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and start filling in and shaping one of my brows. I'm using the pointy side first to start filling in some of the sparse areas and creating that shape. But it does seem like you really have to go over an area for it to really show up, which is not necessarily a bad thing. I feel like if a brow pencil is too creamy and pigmented, it can become such a mess. And this way you can really be precise. I'm not finding the shade to blend with my natural brow hairs as much as I would like. Like the Anastasia Beverly Hills taupe shade is such a perfect shade for me that it really does blend in with my brow hairs. This, you can see some differentiation. You can tell where there's a little bit of product versus not natural brow hairs. So I'm pretty much just filling in my brow, not really creating the hair-like lines. But let's see if I brush through with the spoolie now, if it can look a little bit more natural. Yeah, oh, that makes a huge difference. And see, I just use my finger and I just shape the edges. I don't take concealer. This just works perfectly fine for me. And I like it. Look at that difference with it versus without it. It is looking natural now. There's no crumbling, flaking, no visible product. And since it's smoothed the brow pencil through my brow pretty much, it looks a lot less noticeable and the color seems to be less noticeable as well. So now let's go ahead and see how it is on the other brow. But I will say overall I'm getting more of that shaded, filled in effect rather than drawing individual lines, which is fine. I pretty much just follow my natural brow shape. I don't really create too many false brow hairs when I fill in my brows. But if you did create actual little hairs, I don't think this would be the best product for that. In that case, I feel like you would need like a skinnier pencil or kind of like a liquid liner type of style. But this is good for shaping the brows, filling them in when you already have brow hairs throughout like I do. And I'm really happy with this shade. I think it's a great light brown that's actually not orange. So even if you had blonde hair, this would be a good shade as well. And it doesn't have any hold to it, like the brows easily move and get out of place. Some pencils are a little bit more waxy and have hold to them, but this is a product that I would use a brow gel with, and I use brow gel every day anyway, so that's fine by me. So now here are what my brows look like, and I really like it. They look like how I draw my brows on every day. So I'm really happy with this. For $2, it is so easy to use. It's totally usable, and like I was saying, I'm very picky, very particular about how my brows look, and this is exactly how I like them to look. I also think this would be a great product if you don't fill your brows in, but you want to start trying to, because it's really kind of hard to mess your brows up with this product because it goes on so light and you can blend it through easily. It's only $2. So I think if you want to try your first brow pencil, this is one that I would recommend. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.